Ever feel like your head is screaming yes and your gut is saying no, and you end up doing nothing? Not because you're lazy, but because you don't trust yourself to really choose. Hi, I'm Dr. Paul Fitzgerald, founder of Next Level You Coaching, and I help people clear the internal blocks that keep them stuck so they can finally create a flourishing life. If you've been spinning in indecision or doubt or just overthinking, then this video is for you because the truth is your ability to trust yourself, it isn't gone, it's just blocked. And it can be unblocked to release your innate life forwarding energy. But you know that feeling, standing at the edge of a decision and suddenly your whole body feels like it freezes. Not because you don't care, but because somewhere down deep, your neurological system learned it might not be safe to trust you. If you've ever hesitated so long it hurt, or second guessed yourself into exhaustion, I want you to hear this. You're not broken, and you're definitely not alone. What you're feeling isn't weakness, it's protection. This is how the nervous system responds when the past taught us that our instincts weren't safe to follow. Maybe someone has shamed your choices. Maybe life blindsided you when you least expected it. Maybe every time you reached for something good, the ground gave out beneath you. Eventually, your body's neurological system decided better to doubt than disappoint, better to freeze than fail, better to shrink than fall apart again. And honestly, that strategy worked. It kept you safe. But there's a cost no one talks much about. And yet, you can't not feel it as an ache somewhere in your heart. Because when we freeze to protect ourselves, we also freeze the dreams that want to move through us. We freeze the connection, the clarity, and the life we're quietly aching for. You end up standing in front of your own future, heart pounding, but with no idea how to open the door. But here's the good news. The fact that you still feel that ache for more, it means your instincts never left you. They've just been waiting for a safer time to rise. You don't need to rebuild trust by pushing harder or pretending you're fearless. You rebuild it by listening differently, by noticing the quiet yes beneath the fear, by honoring your needs, your pace, your truth without apologies. That's how self trust grows. Not with leaps, but with small, even sacred steps. A gut feeling you follow, a boundary you keep, a choice you just didn't explain away. And slowly your nervous system begins to learn it's safe now. We can move. Now, if something in you is stirring as you hear this, and if you're ready to stop carrying all this alone, then I want to invite you to take a step forward. Schedule a free Next Level You session with me. No pressure, no fixing, just a powerful space to reconnect with yourself, to get clear on where you are and what's in your way, and how we can help you move toward the life you know is possible. It's a simple thing to schedule on my website, pauldfitzgerald.com. And if this spoke to you, click the like link below and subscribe to this YouTube channel because there'll be more insights like this. Because real transformation isn't just a breakthrough, it's a journey. And I would be honored to walk it with you. Because your healing, your clarity, your future, It's not waiting for a perfect vision of you. It's waiting for this version of you to take the next step. You don't have to leap. You just have to learn to listen to what's already awakening in you. Remember, it's never too late or too early to create your flourishing life.